Please fasten your seatbelt.
Before you crash, you bitch ass niggas, Young moves, niggas. Suck ass niggas, man. I don't even know what gave you niggas the audacity to even try to come at
Streets talk and moves been running wild. Niggas sneak dissing now cause they heard I'm with Kevin Lyles. Louis Vuitton and Prada shoes. You know that ain't your style. Keep talking about who? You too big to be an owl. Keep on talking about you thugging. Keep on talking about you out. Keep on talking about that shit that pose that happened around your house. You forgot, little nigga, he was wildin' your shit out. You forgot about when Freaky smacked that drool up out your mouth. Sneaking videos in. Bitch, you knew we wasn't out. It's like 2 in the AM, 0 below 10. Somebody must have told your faggot ass that we took it in. Never heard of a nigga going around buying friends. So you saying my name? Yeah, we bout to have some fun. You know we had your mother around here going dumb, all up in my face every day like you the one. You went on a mission and couldn't handle the gun. Yeah, if it wasn't for Bizzle, your dumb ass would've been done. And if it wasn't for Tizzle, you wouldn't know nothing, you dumb. You got booked, you was scared, why you saying you realer? Tell the truth, Lord nigga, why you like no gorillas? You say you keep it 100, now you crushing my bones. When you was booked, why you let them niggas take your phone? I ain't mad at you, huh? You been heard that song. Hooked up with Shiloh, I guess that's why you respond. Pussy.
I wasn't even gonna let my man bomb on you bitch ass niggas. We just learning you niggas can talk. Old pussy ass niggas, man. So since y'all asked for it, I'ma go ahead and let him do what he do. You niggas started it though, remember that. Old faggot ass niggas, man.
Over East certified, yeah, this way I remain. You from West, Lord nigga, look, stay in your lane. I ain't with this rap beef, I put your face in the frame. How you let a nigga put you out your own campaign? Same niggas that you fuck with, they cross me, they bitches, they talking under the rug. Let's talk about how they snitches. How you a OG and you ain't got no little niggas? You dropping money on niggas, boy, you ain't really no killer. You know I'm hot like Michael Jackson when he came out with Thriller. Pussy cat ass nigga who let you out the litter. Niggas know I hold it down and they know I'm a spitter. He gotta keep his bitch away cause he know I can get her. Niggas know I hold it down when I'm home. I'm the same nigga that was walking you niggas home. So you really need to stop it cause you know that I pop it. You the same one that was like, Moose, keep that rocket. You a rookie, you remember, I'm surprised you ain't drop it. Niggas like, man, he should've kept that bitch in his pocket. I ain't mad that you wouldn't sneak this and you funny. That just goes to show that you a pump up dummy, nigga.
Yeah, ODB, a Vic ODB. Come on, man. You close the case out for them people for a Vic, man. We know you niggas. I told you I know you niggas. Hey, Shiloh, man, you got some explaining to do, man. Real talk, man. Stay your dumb ass over West, man. You know what's good for you, man. And Nasty, man, I'ma let my man keep addressing you, man. Cause you know we know. The mother niggas might don't know you, but you know we know. Old pussy ass niggas, man.
Yeah, that's why they pull the snot they pull. Niggas whores.
Old pussy ass.
When shit hit the fan, niggas really be bitches, but I ain't letting it slide. I'ma lay it down on you niggas long as I got Key and Freaky, I know Cat coming with me. My niggas keep it 100, you niggas playing the 50. I pop pills with you, man, I used to chill with you. Come to find out, you ain't had no real in you. And when you told me that you love me, you had a pill in you. And look, that shit don't go away, man, it's still in you. And you won't change my mind with all that bullshit. And shoot another video, you get your shit split. I'm like, boo, follow me, I got the